All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we get to find out who our lucky winner is. Let's get to that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so for today's video, I want you guys to see a few things. This is the number generator, so I'm not picking the number. This picks from 1 to 0, and we're just going to find out who wins right now. What number does that say? 62. So we're going to have to go into the comments right now and see who got closest. Okay, so 62. All right, so now let's start looking to see who picked. All right, so we had somebody that picked 14, 13. 14's the closest so far. No, 82. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is in my About page, there's going to be a section for my email. And if you want to go ahead and give me an email, it's going to be right inside there. It's watchcruisecontrol@gmail.com. That's that email for the winner. But again, you can go to my About section and my email is going to be in there as well. Again, that is watchcruisecontrol@gmail.com. So the person that guessed 82, please go ahead and reach out to me, and I'm going to send you a 1-year subscription to your choice of either Motor Trend, Car and Driver, or Road and Track. Congratulations. I want to take this time to thank everyone that's been watching my channel. Going forward, we are going to be celebrating those milestones. The next one that we're going to be celebrating is when I cross that 500 subscriber mark. I'll have something in store for you guys. I don't want to spoil that yet, but I already know what I'm going to do. So I'm excited. Thank you guys so much. It's an honor just to be able to do this because I love talking about cars. I love being able to help you guys out. And leave your comments down below on what kind of cars you'd like to see reviewed, talked about, trucks, SUVs, what have you. So very excited. You guys are going to really love next week's video. Took a lot of time on it. Very excited for the vehicle that we got to drive. So thank you guys again, just so much. I am honored just to be here. So thank you for watching Cruise Control. My name's Eric. Have a good one.